I'm
Ayaw niya
just
kasi
checking
sa'kin.
how well this mic was working also.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, you should
Yung
start.
tas yung pinagkaraoke ako ni Kay.
Hala, hala, hala! Ikaw yung nag-karaoke, you're the
Ikaw
one
kaya?
who you cannot say that I recorded everything.
Eh, ako. Oh, shit. All the burning pain, listening to your you soulmate. Wait pa yung ako. She's so perfect. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, wish you wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like, how do you say, loon?
Yeah.
But don't you feel it too? Confess I love you from the start. Parang ramdam ko nawawalan ako ng hangin. Baya ba na, ba 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 da, ma, na 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 na, dabi dabi du.
Ano?
Dubi dubi dap dap. I can't sing that. I don't know how to do that. What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed. Whoa! Staring into the blue. Ngayon ko na naibasa yung lyrics. Unrequited,
That was
terrifying.
not even
Love is
suggestive or
driving me
anything.
a bit. Oh, my bad. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today. That when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through. Shoots my heart. Nararamdaman ko yung nawawalan akong hangin sa lungs and sound like a loon. But don't you feel it to confess I love you from the start? Yeah, confess I love you. Just thinking of you. I know how I love you from the start. Nawalan ako ng hangin
I miss the karaoke.
Karaoke kayo?
Si Jean.
Hello.
Nag-concert si Jean.
Hello, Ann.
Hello.